Okay, so right behind me we have the Defender. Now this is not any ordinary Defender. First of all, it is the hardtop, a Defender commercial, 2026, 26 registration with literally 1,400 miles on. It's in the most desirable colour called Borasco Grey, D250S, but then it's got lots of specification. The obvious thing it's got is the added extra with a bespoke styling kit. And I don't just mean a few bits on the bonnet venting. I'm talking about the Canards, the extended arch kit, the quad pod light system, rear spoiler. It's got it all. You've also got things like the bonnet decals. You've got badging, front grills, 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors. This car also has the gloss black 22-inch wheels. Now, being the 26 model year, just in case you don't know, and this is the first time you're watching one of our videos, it is the new model and they've changed a few things, starting off with the headlights, a bit more refined. This car also has a cold climate package and that gives you a heated steering wheel. It's amazing how many times a customer asks me, has the car got a heated steering wheel? This one does. You have got the bonnet venting, which has been replaced, the side venting. There's the 22-inch gloss black wheels, the classic style mud flaps, side steps, and then the Borasco Grey is a fantastic colour, but just to break it up a little bit more and give it a nice sporty edge, you've got the contrasting black roof. But the most important thing about this car, it's already got the rear seat conversion. So yes, it is a commercial vehicle hardtop, but it's got the jump seat for the start and the rear seat conversion. So this is a Defender with 6 seats. Yes, you heard me right, 6 seats. It's price plus VAT. Like I said, 2026 registration. You've got a full black leather interior. Nice heated seats. Nice and comfortable. Now remember, if you're not going to use the third seat as a jump seat, because you don't need to, there's no one that is going to sit on there, you can pull one lever and you would use this as a lovely cushioned raised armrest with twin cup holders, more charging ports, and this would be the normal driving position for most of the time. And as and when you want to turn it into a 6-seater, you just lift it up. You've got adaptive cruise control, the huge infotainment screen there, which has all the different configurations. There's a climate control area, different driving modes, front and rear heated windscreen, more charging port here and here. Great car, really is. The colour, the spec, the VAT qualifying, the 6-seat configuration, the way it looks. Now in the back, just to put a bit more onto that, these seats are very, very good. As in, they're nice, they're soft. The rear seat in a commercial Defender. A commercial vehicle doesn't need to be boring. B, if it can be usable, then why not? This is good. This is better than good. This is great. It's also got the deployable side ladders. Now that comes out and you can drop it down and climb on top of it and do what you gotta do. Rear spoiler, hardback spare wheel cover, and the 26 model year, like the headlights, the backlights have also changed as well, so they're more refined. Little gappings there have finished. All the black styling round the back with the badges. I just think it looks fantastic. On a 2026 26 registration, under manufacturer's warranty for the remainder of the 3 years. On this side you have the storage box in gloss black as well, and that's really good because there's keys for it. You can open it and you can put a few bits in there. If it's something to do with your dogs, if it's just wet boots, I don't know, blankets, new shoes. From this side the car is like new, as you'd expect it to be. Full digital dashboard, it's about to go live now. We sell a lot of Defenders here. Every so often we get one with a rear seat conversion already done. Every so often we get one that looks as good as this on a 26 plate with literally 1,400 miles on. And like anything, we've priced it to sell. So if you like it, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. My name and number's on the screen. Thank you, bye bye now.